In the city of Mecca, over 14 centuries ago, a beacon of hope was born. Muhammad, the final prophet, a humble trader, esteemed for his honesty, known as al-Amin, the trustworthy. He would retreat to the solitude of Hira cave, seeking answers to life's profound questions. Then on one fateful night, Angel Gabriel descended, delivering divine revelation. "Read," he commanded, marking the genesis of Islam. Muhammad's life transformed overnight from an ordinary man to a messenger tasked with leading humanity from darkness into light. His life was a testament to compassion, humility, and justice. Despite facing adversities, he remained steadfast, embodying the essence of resilience. He nurtured a thriving community built on love, respect, and unity. Remember, Prophet Muhammad's life is a beacon for us all, illuminating the path towards righteousness. As the dusk fades, let his teaching shine through, guiding us in our journey of faith and humanity. In his life, we find the ultimate role model, an embodiment of the Quran's teachings,